Hello everyone and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. So it's about 3:30 Pacific Standard Time on April 22nd, 2019, and today I am going to choose the winner to my 800 subscriber giveaway. And this was a choice of one of these four paintings. So this here is painting number 1. This here is painting number 2. They are all on 8x10 canvases. That is painting number 3. And this is painting number 4. All right. Now I'm going to randomly choose the winner. I had 23 people that entered the giveaway. I am using an app called Decision Roulette. Everybody that entered the giveaway with their favorite color, I put them into the Decision Roulette. And now I have the 23 people that entered right here. Now I am going to choose the winner. Good luck, everyone. Oh, all right. I rock creativity. All right. Oh, congratulations. I rock creativity. All right. So you can get a hold of me on Instagram, Whimsy Creek Art. I'm also Whimsy Creek Art on Facebook, Twitter. So you can direct message me on any of those social media, Whimsy Creek Art. All right, direct message me your address and your choice of one of the four paintings here. I rock creativity. Wow, congratulations.